and we're going to continue to find the length of a lot of objects, and we're going to measure things. Okay? Like when you put 4 squares together. So do we all agree that the perimeter is going to be larger?
Yes.
This larger square? Well, let's measure it to find out. Oh, there we go. We're going to measure at the ruler how much 1 square is. And remember when we measure, what do we do when we measure? What's the first thing we have to pay attention to? Sahaj?
We have to put the square on the bottom.
On the bottom, more specifically? Where does it start?
On the bottom of the, like, where it says 1, that's where you start, and then where it says 1.
Well, we could start at 1, and I think that for this case that would still work, but we usually start with 0. And starting at the 0 mark, we measure the length, this one of the side lengths of the square. But for a square, what do we know about squares? Jeff?
They have equal straight sides.
They have equal side lengths. Have you done that, Roman, in Tapestry? No. Squares have equal side lengths. So, a square is 1 inch, so that means all the sides are going to be 1 inch. So to measure the perimeter of the square, I'm just going to trace it for you. It's going to be really small because it's only 1 inch. One. And I can't forget to include units, which are in what?
Inch.
Good. Inches. So to find the perimeter, we add up all the sides. Of our square. That's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 for all 4 sides. And what does that equal? 4. Good. So the perimeter is 4 inches. I mean, if you can do it in your head, excellent. Go ahead and write down your answer. And if you need to write down like a problem on the side, that is okay too. If you need to write 4 plus 5 plus 6 and write the answer, that is okay too. So how do we feel with this? Thumbs up or thumbs sideways?